Well, good morning. I knew we were gonna have some snow coming in tonight, or last night. And boy did it. And it's still coming. So I haven't got to use the tractor too much, but looks like I'm gonna get to use it today to plow the driveway. Boys are over here eating some lunch. And that one right there, where's he at? There. We'll be out there shoveling some stuff too while we're out there. You ready for that? No? He's not ready for that. He'll be all right. So, excuse the mess out here. This is, you know, the mud room where shoes and jackets and crap go. Apparently, the boy just left his stuff there. Get our boots on. And go out here and shovel some of the stuff. We had, I had to be home. Take the missus to a doctor's appointment because she needed a driver for it. And the storm was coming in. So I just opted to stay home for a couple of days. And already shoveled a little bit right here. I'm gonna get the tractor out and plow the driveway. I'll just shovel some of this stuff away first. Man, this stuff's blowing. But hadn't had a chance to use the tractor too much since we got it. And we got the blade on it so we could do the driveway. But it hasn't snowed that much and enough to use it or whatever, so today's the day. But at least everything's facing the west, so it just piles, you know. We get that drift. Oh, forgot my gloves. We get that drift up against the garage door and whatnot. But yeah, it's supposed to do this all day today and all day tomorrow. So it's the biggest one of the season, I guess. So I'm gonna have to clear it a couple times. Well, I guess I could just let that fall into the garage. I just don't want to mess up my garage door doing it. Look at that. Look how deep that is. Fun times. That cardio. At least it's the soft stuff, so it's not too hard to shovel out of here. Get it away from the door so it'll pile up under the door when I open the door. Sure that sounds great, doesn't it? You know, when we moved, we were thinking about going to Florida. I think that would have been a smarter decision, but I never claimed to be smart. But it is pretty up here. And plenty to do in the summer. And find the edge of the sidewalk. Or edge of the driveway. Never mind the, I don't know if y'all can see that, but never mind the yellow snow. As you can imagine, Milo kind of disappeared and stuff. He came out about here and it's like, yep, that's far enough. So it is what it is. Can't blame him. He's short, about disappeared in it. I done shoveled this path once and it's already covered again. Gloves back on. Let's see if this thing's gonna start. It's been sitting for a minute. Might even have to put her in 4-wheel drive. There she goes. Christmas corner. Definitely gonna need the 4-wheel drive. That's the way to get her done right there, I'll tell you. Whew. I am covered in snow because it is still snowing. Got the driveway cleared. Probably ain't gonna take it long to get covered back up though. Did you find that rock? Because I found it with the... Did you find that rock under there? Because I found it with the blade. I don't know, it's in there somewhere. There it is. Yeah. You gotta clear it enough to get that gate closed though. Got it. right here. That's up later. I decided to have a little fun with the boy, so he got shoved in the snow, as you can tell. Boom. There he is. I don't know what happened to the video here. It went time-lapse for some reason, so I just slowed it down and left it in here. Figured I'd do a voiceover. House is really pretty right now. Then we went back and shoveled the steps again, or a pathway to the garage anyway. Excuse me. This weather's got me sniffling. But, yeah, I cleaned it out one more time, and I did my usual spiel at the end. Well, what am I doing? Oh, I'm shoveling it out so the garage door will close good. But, yeah, it's snowy, it's cold. I am clearly covered in snow. Here I'm doing my little spiel in time-lapse, not realizing I'm in time-lapse. But as you can see, I'll be pointing, and that means you be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. And for the people that's been asking about Milo, here he is. And for those of y'all have wondering and been asking where he's at, there he is. The star. Look at him, he's fussing. What's the matter? What's the matter? What is it? You need a haircut. Come here, what are you doing? You know, camera weird. Look at here. Rah! Rah! You fuzzy thing. Look, he's gonna start fuzzing. Yeah, you tell him, Milo. Yeah. Yep. Tell him. Like, subscribe, share. That's what he just said.